This is the Nimble Pixie and Butch the Spotter, and we're working our abs today. This is ball crunch. This is perhaps my favorite exercise. I enjoy working my abs. I enjoy keeping them tight. It's quite easy too. All we do is we lay back on the ball. The ball is very nice for not only stability and working all the different muscles, but it really does work the core well. Also, you don't injure yourself as much. All we do is we cross our arms in front of us. We're not going up all the way. We're just tightening up our abs and our hips. Here and here. Okay? So, looks easy, but boy is it a good workout. And again, not all the way up. That's it. The Nimble Pixie and Butch the Spotter signing out.